Usha Rai, please unmute yourself. You will be the last person today for answering. You will be the seventh person we have done up
Good
to.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Yeah.
Sir, I want to know about my elder son's wedding. He is 30, running 31.
Everybody wants to know
When
about marriage today. Huh?
when and what
What?
kind of marriage, caste, intercaste, love, arrange?
Understood. What's his name?
Anubhav, Anubhav.
All right. Give me a random number, ma, between 1 and 249.
125.
125. All right. This is your first child, no? First pregnancy, first child, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fifth house. Rotate the chart. Rotated. Now it's as if your son is asking me this question. Cancer starts since 29-0, Kataka Rasi starts in 29-08-19. Lord is Saturn. Delay maker Saturn is in Rahu star in the third house, conjunct with Jupiter. Yeah, it will be a very successful marriage. He will have good understanding with the spouse. Spouse will cooperate with him in all matters, but it will be an advertisement marriage, or it will be through portal, known people. You have to put effort. He is not going to be able to find his own spouse.
Sir, we are sending him photographs, but he is not agreeing. He is not looking at the photos.
Yeah, just a matter of time. Don't get too stressed and too worried about it.
Can we?
Saturn, Mercury, Mars, Chitra Nakshatra. Sun has to transit into Chitra Nakshatra, which will happen on October 19th, 2023. Correctly see, Saturn in Venus. Saturn and Mercury. Mercury is in the third house, owning 6 and 8 in the star of Venus. There will be delay. You can start from that time onwards, but most likely only after 2025 you will have any serious interest in starting to get married.
After 25.
27th of June 2025. You can start putting effort from this year onwards, but it will take 2 years for you to convince him.
Okay. And sir, will he be settled in abroad and it will be a love marriage, or you said
it will not be a love marriage? He will not find on his own. You will have to find a person for him.
And he'll come back to India or he'll settle abroad?
I don't know. That is a different question. Come to the next class and ask one.
Okay, sir. Right.
All the best. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good luck. Be blessed. Okay, no problem.